Okay, so this is the spring that basically powers the whole back piece, that it makes it want to spring back. So what happened was, there's a string right here that's connected all the way up here. And so what happened was, somebody was typing on it, and the old string was like all brown, and it was basically a piece of twisted cardboard, and it just like snapped. And so I had to replace it with a piece of paracord string, which was extremely hard because first I had to loop it through a tiny hole and tie it here, and then I super glued that to make sure it never comes undone. And then I had to twist it the right amount of twists to have it be taut all the way, but not have it snap. And then I had to loop it all the way up through here, and then bring the camera up here. And then right here is where it came out of here, and I tied it right there. And I super glued it. So that's how I fixed my typewriter.